Hello guys, this is CodeNCode and this is video editorial for the problem Same Difference taken from Codeforces Div 3 round 719, and this was the D problem. So let's see what the problem statement says. The problem statement is just as simple. You are given in an integer array with n integers. You have to find pairs ij. These are indices. You have to find pairs ij such that I is smaller than j and ai minus aj is equals to I minus j. As you can see, the problem statement is just as simple and straight to the point. Okay, so let's solve this problem. How will solve this problem? As simple as this. Whenever you see this kind of problem, I've seen like two or three exactly, this kind of problem on Codeforces. So basically, when you have two integers and relation with their indices, try to pair integer with its index. So here ai, here is I, so try to pair up. So after you rearrange, you have ai minus I is equals to a minus aj minus j. So basically, from the original input array, you can create a new array where each element is in the new array, each element is ai minus I. So 1 minus 1, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4, 5 minus 5, 6 minus 6. And what pair we have to find? We have to find pairs such that their values will be equal in the new array, right? And that is exactly what we are going to do here. How many elements are equal? 5 elements are forming pair with 0, right? There are 5 elements with equal value, so you can form pairs with them. How many pairs you can form? 5 into 4 divided by 2, right? N into n minus 1 divided by 2 if there are n elements. These all of the 0 can form pair with each other. Okay, so how many pairs you can form? N into n minus 1 divided by 2, where n is the size of the of your set. Okay, if there were more 4s, we could have paired this 4 with those, but there are no uh, pair to form with 4, so this won't contribute anything into the solution. All you have to do is create the new array where each integer is ai minus I, and then after that segregate all of the elements with equal value, take their size, and if its size is x, in its contribution into the result would be x into x minus 1 divided by 2. As simple as that, right? If I show you the implementation, you can implement it your way. The implementation is just as simple. I've used map to implement the same. Okay, and this is my solution. Here I'm reading input, here I'm putting the result back onto the console. In fact, this is the first problem that I've solved. You see, first I solved D, then I went to A, then B, then C, tried F, couldn't solve it, then E. So because as soon as I read the problem statement, I started the contest like 10 minutes later, after the contest already started. As soon as I read the problem statement of D, I was like, bam, I got the solution, because I saw this. Whenever you see this, all you have to do is pair up the integer with its index and you will find something to work on. Okay, so yeah, this was all for this lecture. If you have any doubt, okay, you can ask in the comment section. So till the next video drops, keep coding. Thank you.